Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel HVAC Work by Samiullah Khan 92. It's all about heat and cooling. And this is today our video is about the new LG split AC remote, which so many technicians maybe didn't see, maybe they handle this first time. Today our video is about the mode of LG split AC. This is a new LG split unit, R410 Freon operated, this one. So let's start about the mode of this remote, how we can use the mode, what is the function of mode button. So this is the on off button which can on and off the remote. So this let's start our mode button. This is our mode button. You can see this, this is the mode button. We can operate from here. So this you can change it from here. Everything you can change from here. So this is when we press this, this you can see this change the modes on the top. You can see this is the cooling system. This is used for the cooling. This when your AC is on this mode, you can see this is the compressor mode. This is used for compressor. So if you want cooling and heating, how much temperature you want, this up and down key you can adjust it with this one, this button. Very simple this is. And when you press again mode, this symbol will come. This is the auto operation mode. It will work on auto. If your system is set on 23 or 25, if the room is more cold, maybe your set temperature is 25, maybe your room temperature came on 20, let's suppose 20, then it will start the heating till the room temperature will go to 26. And if your room temperature is going high temperature heating, let's suppose go to 30 degree, it will start the cooling, it will change to cooling system. That is the function of auto, this auto mode. Now we can see the another mode. What is this? This is the symbol for dehumidifying. It will control, when you put this will control your humidity in the room. It will control your humidity in the room. You can see this symbol is for used for humidity. And when we press it again, let's press it again, you can see this sun. The symbol of sun came here. You can see now it's clear. The symbol of sun means this is the heating system. Your temperature goes to 30 degrees Celsius. If your room temperature is 20, 18 or 15 degree, when you put on 30 degree, it will work on the heating mode. The heating mode, when it will work on, if you don't want more heat, you can reduce your temperature from this temperature set. Maybe I want 28 degree in my room, so I put this on 27 if I want 28 degree. If I want 29 degree, I will put this on 28. So this is the function of mode button. 4 modes: compressor, auto, and humidity, and this one is for heater. So it's all about the mode of LG split AC. Thanks for watching my YouTube channels. Like and subscribe my channel.